Welcome to Greenway Dumpster Solutions, your go-to for top-tier dumpster rental in Bethel, Connecticut. Whether it's a home renovation, a landscaping project, or a garage cleanout, we have the perfect dumpster for your needs. Our range of dumpster sizes ensures we can handle projects of any scale. Greenway Dumpster Solutions covers you, from small cleanups to significant construction debris. Why should you choose Greenway Dumpster Solutions? We provide outstanding rental services for residential, commercial, and construction projects. Our dedicated team strives to surpass your expectations, ensuring waste management is a hassle-free experience. Our unwavering commitment to sustainability and excellent customer service sets us apart. With prompt delivery and pickup, renting a dumpster from Greenway Dumpster Solutions is hassle-free. Our professional team is dedicated to making your experience smooth and efficient. With our extensive experience, we guarantee clean, organized, and efficient project sites. Join the many satisfied customers in Bethel who trust Greenway Dumpster Solutions for their waste management needs. Call us today at 203-794-6639 or visit our website at www.greenwaydumpstersolutions.com. Dumpster Rental Bethel CT, and let us help you manage your waste in a green way. Greenway Dumpster Solutions, your partner in sustainable waste management.